How to scan document on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or Air series. Simply open Notes apps, Notes, Notes. Then you can see this kind of interface. Press on this icon. Now press on this icon. If you don't see, then if you scroll down, then you can see your option. Then press on scan document. Now you can easily scan, or if you want to press on this tick option, then it will be automatically. Press on keep. Now if you want to add another file, you can also do it like that. Then it will be saved as another document. Keep, and once done, press on this option. Then here you can see all of your file is available here. If you want to save it as PDF, simply press on this icon. Now select your section. Now press on more option, then save to file. Then where you want to save. For example, I want to save it to my iPhone and this folder, and if you press on save, then it will be saved. Let's check. Go to file, then you can see this file is available. If you press and hold this option, then get info, then it's saved as a PDF. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.